my psychologist don't. My psychologist don't want none unless you've got symptoms, hun. DSM-5 has got all the disorders. Schizophrenia, anxiety, and some mood disorders. All this tension in my life causes all these disorders. All these worries and these pressures from my anxiety disorders. I'm so scared of bugs. All this fear is from my phobias. Arachnophobia has taken my fun. Can't play outside because of stupid bugs. I need exposure to germs everywhere I go. Hand sanitizer, always on the go. First you gotta rinse, then you add soap. Rub it all together and add more soap. Never good enough, please don't touch. Gotta go home and wash in a rush. If you don't understand, then please just hush. Shh. My memories from war. My memories from war. My memories from war still come back and torture me.
Oh my gosh, that was scary.
Oh my gosh, that was scary.
Oh my gosh, that was scary. That was scary.
That was scary. This life really sucks. I just want to stay home. All this sadness and these heartbreaks, I can't take it no more. This depressive disorder, when's my life gonna end? All these thoughts in my head make me so suicidal. I can be so happy, then later on I get so cranky. 1 minute I'm just fine, then I'm crying. All these mood swings make me seem freaky. I'm bipolar. When the seasons change, I get really sad. I just in my room, this is really bad. If the sun comes out, I'll be really glad. Out in this weather, feel real rad. Moving on from sad, don't make me glad. The other day I'm blind, don't know why. DSM-5, and tell me why. I'm in paralysis, and I am also blind. And I am also deaf for no reason why.
Oh my gosh, conversion disorder.
Oh my gosh, I think I'm always sick.
Oh my gosh, I think I'm always sick. I think I'm always sick.
I think I'm always sick. Hypochondria is what I have. Let's move on to another disorder. Today I woke up as another person. Oh my gosh, I have
Now
DID.
they are out for me.
And I am paranoid that they will me for no reason why.
Disorganized schizophrenia.
Chocolate milk really like I. Oh my gosh, I am catatonic. Oh my gosh, I cannot move. Oh my gosh, I am not delusional. I'm residual. I'm residual. Yeah. I love being shallow. Yeah. This one's for my peeps with a schizoid personality disorder. I want to see all the people loving me. Now I'm obsessed with me. I'm obsessed with me. Now these are some of the disorders. Some of the disorders.
Hey, Miss Sally, give us an